In our continuing class on techniques and comparing, contrasting, just like we did with our baking and roasting and our sweating and sauteing, we're now going to talk about deep frying. So most people think deep frying is a moist cooking method because we're actually putting it into a big vat of oil. Well, technically, because the oil is so high a temperature, above 300 degrees, it actually is a dry cooking method. Once you know that it's a dry cooking method, now we can divide it into two, a deep fat fry versus a shallow fry. What's the difference? Well, deep fat fry has a much greater volume of fat to the product that we are actually going to be cooking in this, versus a shallow fry, which will have much smaller amount of fat to the product that we are cooking. Both have its advantages and disadvantages, and you have to look at the recipe to understand what is best for each one. For example, if you're going to fry French fries do better in a deep frying than they do in a shallow fry. But if I'm going to fry, say, a thinly cut chicken cutlet that's breaded, that can be done just as easily in a shallow fry as it can be in a deep fry. Now you know the difference between the shallow fry and a deep fry.